Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to mark deleted email as read in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin configuring this setting. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find all your tools and menus. Look for the File tab and click on it. This is where you'll access the main configuration options for Outlook, so it's an important step for adjusting how the application handles your emails. Once the File menu opens, scroll down to the very bottom of this menu. You'll see an option labeled Outlook Options. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window that contains all the detailed settings and preferences for your Outlook account. This is where you can customize various aspects of how Outlook functions, including how it handles deleted messages. In the Outlook options window that appears, you'll notice several tabs listed on the left side. Click on the Mail tab. This section specifically controls how your email behaves, including reading, sending, and organizing messages. It's the central hub for email-related settings. Under the Mail tab, scroll down until you find a section labeled Conversation Cleanup. This section is designed to help you manage how Outlook handles messages during the cleanup process, which is exactly what we need for marking deleted emails as read. Within the Conversation Cleanup section, you'll see a checkbox next to an option that says Don't Move Unread Messages. Toggle this checkbox on. This feature ensures that any message must be marked as read or clicked before it gets deleted. Essentially, it prevents unread messages from being moved or deleted without you having interacted with them first, which is exactly what you're looking for. Once you've enabled that checkbox, click on the OK button at the bottom of the window. This saves your changes and applies the new setting to your Outlook account. And that's it. You've successfully configured Outlook to mark deleted emails as read before they're removed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.